So actually, what is shahada? Two sides of shahada regarding a messenger of Allah. He has to be a witness of Allah unto the humanity during this world, this life of this world. And he has to testify against those people in the court of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala on the day of judgment. Oh Allah, I had conveyed to them your message. Now they are responsible. رُسُلًا مُبَشِّرِينَ وَمُنذِرِينَ لِأَلَّا يَكُونَ لِلنَّاسِ عَلَى اللَّهِ حُجَّةٌ بَعْدَ الرُّسُلِ وَكَانَ اللَّهُ عَزِيزًا حَكِيمًا. We sent our messengers as givers of glad tidings and warners to humanity, so that there should remain no excuse, no argument with the people against Allah on the day of judgment. Oh Allah, your message never reached us. How come you are asking us about our deeds? Your message was not conveyed to us. So that this argument, this excuse is finished. لِأَلَّا يَكُونَ لِلنَّاسِ عَلَى اللَّهِ حُجَّةٌ بَعْدَ الرُّسُلِ. This was the function. And on the day of judgment, every messenger will be called as a prosecution witness in that court of the day of judgment. فَكَيْفَ إِذَا جِئْنَا مِنْ كُلِّ أُمَّةٍ بِشَهِيدٍ وَجِئْنَا بِكَ عَلَى هَؤُلَاءِ شَهِيدًا. What will happen on that day? When from every ummah, every people, we shall bring forth a witness against them. Oh Allah, I had conveyed to them your message. They can't plead ignorance. They can't say your message was not conveyed to them. This is shahada ala, shahada against. When you have lam with shahada, shahada le, shahada for. It is testifying someone, for someone, in favor of someone. And when it is shahada ala, it is testifying against someone. فَكَيْفَ إِذَا جِئْنَا مِنْ كُلِّ أُمَّةٍ بِشَهِيدٍ وَجِئْنَا بِكَ عَلَى هَؤُلَاءِ شَهِيدًا.